Okay, I'll come and grab it. Is there a GCF? Very good. Is there a GCF, a number that 2n squared, negative n, and negative 1 have in common? As soon as you see a 1, the only thing you're looking at is for the variables, which in this case there isn't. Okay? So there's no GCF. What's my next step? I'm going to have to slide and divide because there's a number in front of your n squared. So I'm sliding my 2 back. What's my new trinomial? Very good. N squared minus n minus 2. Now what am I doing? The t-chart, right? So I'm multiplying to get to negative 2. I'm adding to get to negative 1. What are my factors? 1 times negative 2. Okay, so my binomials would look like if you slide, you must divide. Divide that 2 back out. So what do your binomials become? Technically, could you check your work? Yes, and Jackson brought this up the other day. If you multiply these back together, you should get this. Now, when it comes to your quiz on Tuesday, do the whole quiz before you start double checking, right? And it's great to double check, but get through the whole thing before you start looking at other stuff. Okay, we did the one on the bottom yesterday, so we're going to cross that off and write this one down. 14x squared minus 3x minus 5. On your own, factor this, please. Now, I'm going to guess most of you got to this point, yes? Okay. Yesterday, somebody asked me, what happens if we get to like a fraction that doesn't reduce to a whole number? Here's an example of that. 7 over 14 really reduces to become 1/2. And 10 over 14 really reduces to become negative 5/7. You cannot leave this, though. What are your trinomials? Yep. Very good. So simplify your fraction first, and then your denominator becomes your coefficient of your x, okay? Don't leave them as a fraction. Don't leave it as a fraction. Questions on that one at all? You want to do that one? No? All right. 8-7 online. Tomorrow we're playing Clue.
Let's have to do math.